Hello everyone, I'm Alex, a safety director at GWM, responsible for the safety R&D of our products. At GWM, safety isn't a choice, it's a necessity that everyone deserves. Active safety acts as a collision predictor, working before an accident happens. Take this braking system for example. Equipped with our ABS and EBD, it timely adjusts the braking force like a spot braking expert during immediate stops in the rain. Look, the millimeter wave and ultrasonic radars strategically placed throughout the GWM vehicle, collectively form an electronic bodyguard around you. When changing lanes, the blind spot monitoring system gently taps your shoulder, like an experienced driver, offering a timely reminder. At the same time, the lane keep system acts like a pair of invisible hands, consistently keeping the vehicle centered in the line.
GWM, go with more.